All right, today we're going to go over the solution to the bell work problems from Wednesday, September 30th. So here we have two problems. We are only going to complete number one. So number one says triangle ABC has vertices where point A is at the coordinate 3, 1, point B has the coordinates of 5, 6, and point C has the coordinates 5, negative 1. We want to find the vertices of A prime, B prime, C prime after a translation of 7 units left and 3 units down. So we're going to take this triangle ABC and we're going to slide it. Remember, a translation is a slide. 7 units left and 3 units down. So here we go. Our original ordered pairs are X and Y. If we are translating our original ordered pair 7 units to the left, the rule we're going to use here is we're going to have X minus 7 because we're taking that X value and then we're moving it 7 left. Remember, movement left is subtraction here. And then for our Y coordinate, if we're moving it the Y coordinate 3 units down, we're going to take our original Y coordinate and subtract 3. This rule right here is how we're going to get the coordinates of A prime, B prime, C prime. So if we look here, to find the coordinates of A prime, we need to follow this rule. So we're going to take our original A coordinates, so 3, and to find the new X coordinate, we're going to do 3 minus 7. That will give us the new X coordinate. And then to find the new Y coordinate, we're going to do 1 minus 3. We're following this rule right here to get that A prime is at the location 4, negative 2. All right, we're going to do the same thing to find B prime. So to find B prime, we look at our original B coordinate, and the original coordinate is 5, 6. So to find the new X coordinate, we're going to take that 5 and subtract 7 because that's what our rule here says. And then to find the new Y coordinate, we're going to take 6 and subtract 3 because we're moving that 3 units down. And when we do that, we get that the new coordinates of B prime are negative 2, 3. All right, same thing for C prime. To find the coordinates of C prime, you take your original X coordinate, which is 5, and we apply this rule to it that says X minus 7. So to find the X coordinate of C prime, we're going to do 5 minus 7. To find the Y coordinate of C prime, we're going to do negative 1 minus 3 because our rule tells us we're going to take the Y coordinate and subtract 3 to find the new Y coordinate. And when we do that, we get that the coordinates of C prime are negative 2, negative 4.